How to know if someone has blocked you or deleted their account on Instagram. To find out, simply follow our steps. Firstly, search for their profile. If you search for the username in the Instagram search bar and the profile does not appear, they might have blocked you. If you search for the username and see user not found or this account is unavailable, their account may have been deleted or deactivated. Secondly, look at DMs. If you have been blocked, then if you had ever had conversation with the person, their name may change to Instagram user and you won't be able to send them a message. But in deleted account, you may see their name as Instagram user but you still have messages in your chats. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.